Are you looking to replace Netflix on your Android TV? I've gotten lots of people who have asked me about alternatives to Netflix or apps that they can use in place of Netflix. And in this video, I just want to show you 3 different applications that you can use to replace Netflix on your Android TV. These are going to be free apps, so please make sure to watch right up to the end of the video as I talk about these applications and why you can use them to replace Netflix if you're looking for a Netflix replacement or alternative. And as usual, if you find the video helpful or interesting, please make sure to like, subscribe, and share for more important videos like this. I just want to take out the opportunity here to thank you all who have been watching my channel and subscribing and sharing the videos. It means so much for me. I can't tell you how much it means for me watching this channel grow from afresh. I never believe I'll be here someday, but here am I creating more videos to more than 5,000 subscribers every day on my YouTube channel. So it's very interesting. It's very nice and good for me to watch you all subscribe to my channel. And I just want to say thank you. I will keep on thanking you all for subscribing to my YouTube channel. So if you've not yet subscribed, please make sure to subscribe. And also, if you want to help, you can share the channel or maybe support the channel with a super thanks. I'm going to be grateful for any of them. So that's it. Let's get on to these applications that you can use to replace Netflix if you've been searching for applications to replace Netflix. So on my Android TV, what I'm going to be using is my browser. You can use your Play Store if you want, but I'm using my browser because it is one of the applications that you will literally find it on all Android TVs. If there's an Android TV, then that Android TV must have a browser. That's why I'm going to be using a browser. So go over to your browser, and the first application that we're going to be using, or the first app that we're going to be using to replace Netflix, is the Pluto TV app. So just go over here, type in Pluto TV, and here's the application here. Now Pluto TV is an app that you can use to install on your Android TV. But to go over here, I just want you to read what is written here. It says, watch your choice of free hit movies, free binge-worthy TV shows, and live TV online anytime, stream now, play never. So you see, this is the Pluto app. It's a pay never. You don't have to pay anything on the Pluto app to use it. All you have to do is just to install, and you go ahead and start getting what you want on your Android TV. You don't have to pay any subscription fee. It doesn't have any subscription fee, but you can stream now. So to go over to it, just go over here to install application is quite very easy. Just go over to your browser, search for application. You are going to see an option that is going to help you to install application from the Google Play Store. And as you can see here, it has 769,000 downloads. So it's not an application that you'll be scared of this piracy app. No, Pluto TV is a legal application. So here's the application. It says Pluto TV is your free streaming app to watch full movies and TV shows anywhere on any device all year long. Download today and discover. So that's the application. Now the only limitation you might find about this application its availability. Even though the application has no subscription fee, it is not available in any country. But since most of my subscribers or most of those who watch my videos are from the US and the UK, I'm sure you are going to find the application available in the US and the UK. But me creating this video, I'm in none of these countries, so it is impossible for me to install the application from where I am right now. But if you are watching the video from the US or the UK, then you can install the application to your Android TV and you can use it without any issues. And also if you are in any Spanish country, you can also use the application. So this application, Pluto TV, live TV and free movies, it is a very nice application they can use as a Netflix alternative if you're looking for an alternative. So that's the first option. Let's move on to the next option. The next option on my list is the Tubi TV, which is also a good alternative they can use to replace or as an alternative to Netflix if you are looking for one. So the application is Tubi. So here's it over here, Tubi app. You can just type in Tubi, or we go over here and type in Tubi app. So what you do, just type in the Tubi app and you go ahead and search. I'm using my browser here on my Android TV. If you have an Android TV, any browser is going to work. So if you come over here, it says, here's the option here. You see, Tubi has more downloads than Pluto. It has 2.3 million downloads. So 2.3 million people have downloaded this application and maybe are actively using it. So they say Tubi has a massive, searchable, categorized free library from which to choose and run smoothly on your phone or cast it from your phone to your TV. So you can use Tubi on your phone and you can cast it to your TV without any issues. But if you have an Android TV, you should use it on it because the TV has an Android operating system. But if you don't have an Android TV, you can use Tubi on your phone and cast it to your TV and use. It has massive searchable categorized free library that you can use and watch lots of movies without paying any subscription fee. And as I said, it's also a good application and you shouldn't be scared of any piracy problem because it is not a piracy app. So Tubi is a free movies and live TV app that can install as an alternative to Netflix if you are using for one. So the install is very simple. Just go over here and click install. Or if you want to use on your phone and stream, just go over to your Play Store or your App Store and install the application. But just like the Pluto app, this application is not also available in my location. But if you are watching this video from the US or the UK, then or Canada, I think the application is going to be available in these countries. I can go ahead and install it just like I've said. I am going to use it smoothly on your TV or on your mobile TV or on your mobile phone and cast your TV without any issue. So this is the application and it's very easy to use. No subscription to pay, and you're going to get lots of movies with it. So that's the next app. The last on my app is also another free app, just like the previous two. To get it is simple. Just go over here and type in Freevee. So Freevee is the name of the application. Now Freevee is an application by Amazon. I think we all know Amazon. So you just go here and type in Freevee. The right name for it is the Amazon Freevee. This is how it looks like. This is a new app from Amazon that helps you get premium streaming services, watch thousands of hit movies, shows, freebies, original, and live 24/7 entertainment without any limitation. And also, if you are doubting, it says here is the free app really free. This is a common ask question, and it says yes, Freevee is 100% free. The entire ad-supported platform doesn't offer other subscription or tiers. So you see, Freevee doesn't have any subscription offers. It is 100% free. I can use it as a Netflix alternative. You are looking for an application to replace Netflix. So here's it. Here are three applications I've showed you, and just like the other apps, to install it, just click on install. And the only limitation for someone like me to these applications is that they are not available in my country. But since more than 50% of my viewers are from the US, I decided to create this video because even though the apps are not available in my country, they are going to be available in the US. I can install them on your mobile phone or on your Android TV and use without any limitation. If you're in the US, Canada, or UK, then this application should be available without any problem in these countries. I can install them as alternatives to Netflix without any problem. So here's the application. I showed you three applications in this video. I showed you Pluto, I showed you Tubi TV, and I showed you Freevee, which are all three free ad supported applications or movie applications that you don't have to pay any subscription fee. So if you are tired of subscription fee payment on Netflix, you can use these applications to watch your movies without any subscription. There are three of them. I just want to add there are lots of other applications on the internet like this, but I decided to create just three of them that are going to that I consider top. Now the reason I created this video, I have had this video idea for a long while, but I've been limited because these applications are not available in my country. But I just thought this is not about me, this is about you watching the video. So if you're watching the video from a country that supports the application, you can go ahead and install it without any issues. If you're watching from a country like mine that doesn't support it, that's a limitation that we are going to have. So that's about the video. If you find it helpful for you, please make sure to like, subscribe, and share for more important videos like this.